Going on YouTube, Focus Tans here. So I made a mistake, and it cost me. It cost me an oil change for the car, and I'll have to show you what I'm talking about as soon as they finish mowing over here. But it's not good. I gotta do more work, and at this point, an expensive oil change. So don't be like me. Just don't be like me. Stay tuned. Hey, yo, viral. So I'm going to start by redraining the oil, and then I'm going to get over here to the problem that I'm having. Stay tuned. All right, so I got the oil drained on this front. I still need to drain the oil from the new oil filter, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop off this sensor connector so that can be out of the way. Bam, that's done. And I will then go and take this out. So remember, from when we did the last oil change, you're gonna want to have something up under this so that when we drop it, that oil is gonna go in here. And I put it on kind of tight, so let me get it down. All right, YouTube, so this is the source of all my leaking. This housing, it's called the oil filter housing, and I cracked it over tightening the oil pressure sensor here. Word of advice, don't be like me. Don't over tighten it, so you will crack this housing and you'll have to go get another one. So I went to the junkyard and I pulled one of these, which you can see right here. I got the same one, but this is off a 2007 Ford Focus. I cleaned it up. I need to finish scraping that off because I want the new gasket. I'm going to put a new gasket on it, and I got that already. I picked it up from AutoZone, but I'm going to scrape all that off and get it ready to be mated. So you're also going to need to redrain the fluid, the oil, apparently, and the bolts for there's 4 bolts, and on this those 4 bolts are 10 millimeter. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down now and get the new one ready to install. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start to loosen the bolts. Shouldn't take too much to get them off. All right, so let's look at the points of failure for the old housing. So right here, right here, right here, and right here, those are cracks. And the biggest one is right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah, see that right there? That whole line runs all the way right here. I cracked that, and that's why this was leaking at the end of the other video. You saw the pool of oil. This will be why. Anyway, so we're gonna get that off. Or it's already off. We're going to clean up the new one more, and the housing and the housing mating surface, and we'll be good to put this back on. So stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, so I cleaned up the mating surface right here. That's all clean and ready to accept the new housing. So let's hop to that. But just a catalog, I did pick up a new filter from AutoZone, so make sure you have one of these when you go to reinstall yours. Yeah, FYI. The part number for this is B31860, as you can read there. Non-refundable if opened. Well, I was gonna put things back on the car, but then again, I realized I need to put this the center back on, and I kind of want to do it with the housing already off. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sealant, a thread sealant, on it, so that it can be can have that. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but this, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. Do that, and this time I'm not going to do it too tight. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna start the car again and look for leaks. Hopefully I don't have any. Let's look. Well, I don't see any leaks. I'm looking at it under here right now. I don't see any leaks. That's a good sign. Well, I'm going to end the video there. That's how you do a complete oil change, mess it up, fix the problem, and then do another complete oil change again. I need to add some fuel to the car because, I mean, not fuel, but oil to the car because I lost some from last night's leakage, but I'll go to AutoZone and add some more of that oil. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Sorry that this was a disaster, but we learned something today. You learned something today, and more importantly, we got the car fixed and it's back running again. See you next time. Peace. All right, so I drove the car yesterday and today, and I'm gonna go up under here again and check and see if it's leaking. So come on down here with me. All right, let's get up under the car and take a look. Man, dry, crispy dry, no leaks. We are good. Some of the residual stuff that was on there from yesterday, but yeah, that's how I did it. If you have this problem, you know, hopefully you can change your oil without messing anything up. Anyway, peace.